Coast Nation, welcome to True News Sport. Bafet, we saw what happened yesterday in Egypt, Cairo. Zamalek versus Kaizer Chiefs. We lost because of the coaches. We cannot blame the players because as a coach, you know your players. You can see with some players, some of the players are tired. Some of the players they cannot even cope up with the match. But you decide to replace someone who is doing better. Imagine you are replacing someone who's doing better. You're leaving the person who's costing us. Hayi bo. Hey, niyasixhaphaza yazi nama-coaches. Lama-coaches we-Kaizer Chiefs asixhaphaza ngempela bafethu. As a coach, you need to use your experience and then what you know. And isikole sometimes siyafuneka man. Do your maths. You can see ukuthi uMarco, most of the Zamalek players, they were coming ngale side likaMarco. Why don't you replace uMarco and then bring Ushinga? Let's see Ushinga ukuthi usiphatheleni. Mawubona ngathi mhlambe you are scared of Ushinga, thatha uModi umfake lapha as i-left back. Angithi uModi can defend. Put uModi lapha as left back, let him fight the battle and then ufake uVelepai lapha phambili. And then we attack. There la ofake khona uSirino. uSirino, you know ukuthi when there is pressure, he doesn't perform well. And it is not someone who can use his body. They can pull him with his body as well. So ngibonile masesha amanye amaphasi lapha engacaci ukuthi abheke bla maphasi wakhe. Why don't you put someone at least who's vocal? Someone like uMdusha Balala, or put uVilakazi lapha. Someone who's gonna come up with the skill and then ashaya ama-speedball. Uyamazi uVilakazi mayephethe ibhola is quick and then ushaya ama-pass on the box and then uyekele uDa Silva lapha adlale, ukhiphe uLilepo, bring someone like uDupree ke ngoba umlethile. Dupree is there. Or else if you are scared of uDupree, bring uLento uShabalala mfake as the right winger. Let's attack. You can see ukuthi we are lacking. Umsimango vele, there is no one who can replace Umsimango. But if you saw ukuthi okay, so wenza amaphutha amaningi, thatha Umsimango umkhiphe, bring uMatlo azodefend emuva, uthathe uMabuzo umfaka as a 6 and then bring uTesh Mabaso azodlala as number 8, ufaka uVilakazi lana and then you keep the game moving. But you are waiting for Zamalek to score, then you can fight back. Man.